Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to how to share Google Files with other people. So, of course, we're in Google Drive, and to get to Google Drive, you have to log into your Google account, go to your apps, and scroll down to Google Drive, and then it'll bring you to this page. So once you're on this page, this is basically all of your documents, your PowerPoints, your sheets, everything that you've created within Google and stuff that people have shared with you in Google will be here in my drive. So to share a document with somebody, of course you have to let's see, I'm gonna share this one. So I'm gonna click on it, I'm gonna right click on it, I'm gonna go to share. You can go to share or you can go to get shareable link. It'll both share with whoever you send it to. So I'm gonna press share. So once I press share, I have to enter a email address. So I'm gonna enter my other email address. And here it is. So you can of course share with more than one person, and yeah. So if you click this, it'll give you a shareable link that you can share with other people. So you can add a note, and if you click on advanced, you can change whether you want it to be private or public, or if you want it to be uh with just anyone with the link. And then you can also if you click on the pencil, you can change what the person that you're sending it to can do. So if you want them to edit, then you can have them edit. If you want them to comment, you can have them comment. If you want them to just view, then you can click this and it'll let them only view it. So you can also send a copy to yourself, and you can uh it'll notify people. So you'll just press send, and once you send it, you can press done. So that is how you send a um a, a Google document to other people. So the other person should have gotten an email in their email with whatever you sent them, and it'll be they'll have it. If they have a Google Drive account, then it'll be in their account. It'll be in this part with the share with me part because you shared it with them. So that is how you share a Google account. A Google document with other people. Thank you.